Can you install Google Play Store on Roku?
Welcome to this comprehensive guide about Google Play Store and Roku. Today, we'll discuss whether it's possible to install Google Play Store on a Roku device.
What is Roku?
Roku is a popular streaming platform used worldwide for its vast array of supported channels and user-friendly interface. It provides access to numerous apps for streaming movies, TV shows, and more. While it does support a lot of services, there's one question we often encounter. Can you install Google Play Store on Roku?
Can Google Play Store be installed on Roku?
The straightforward answer to this question is, unfortunately, no. As of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, there is no direct way to install Google Play Store on a Roku device. Roku has its own dedicated store, the Roku Channel Store, where you can download apps, but Google Play Store is not one of them.
What are the alternatives?
While Google Play Store can't be installed directly on Roku, there is still a way to access some of its content, primarily in the form of movies and TV shows. Google Play Movies and TV, an app available on Roku, provides access to movies and TV shows purchased or rented on Google Play Store. Also, you might consider screen mirroring or casting from a device that has Google Play Store. Remember, this is a workaround and not a direct installation of Google Play Store on Roku. In summary, while Roku doesn't support the direct installation of the Google Play Store, there are still ways to access Google Play Store content, primarily through Google Play Movies and TV app and screen mirroring. Always remember to check Roku's official website or support channels for the most recent and official information. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video guide helpful.